Hey everybody, so now we're inside the Truma Center. We're actually in the service center and we're joined with Mark, the COO of Truma. And I'm just going to ask him a couple questions and he's just going to help us out understand the system, the benefits of doing this type of upgrade to your water heater. Mark, thanks for joining us. Thanks for taking the time to explain the system. Can we just start with maybe what are some of the advantages of installing a Truma system in a motorhome?
Yeah, so one of your main advantages of this unit in particular is your constant hot water. We're moving a tank water heater for an on-demand system. Our system has a bit of hybrid technology where we incorporate a mixing vessel here, which gives us that constant temperatures. Some of the downsides of some of the competitive products are that you have inconsistent water temperatures. Our unit's been tested down to 0.25 gallons per minute, so when you want to take that shave and you want a trickle of hot water, this unit will come on and still generate hot water. The main advantage of an on-demand system is, though, that you will be able to increase the length of use of your propane system, because it's not going to be generating hot water when you don't need it. Okay. So that's also very important. You know, you talk about some of the differences between the technology of a tank water heater. Those are great technology. They're going to last. They're fairly robust systems. Taking that technology of constant hot water from the tank is why we and our engineers spend a lot of time designing the system the way it is. Most on-demand water heaters, you'll see the heat exchanger in there, but adding this temperature stabilizing vessel, we have a small pump in here which also allows us to circulate warm water in the unit. We're able to generate water hotter faster. The other efficiency of this product is it only uses as much energy as required, so it can modulate from 20,000 BTUs up to 60,000 BTUs. 60,000 BTUs is the most energy that you can use on any appliance in an RV, because the gas regulators can't keep up with that, with the system. Okay. So again, very, very high technology in the computer, high technology in the gas valve here, all combined to create the best experience for showering that you can have.
Okay. And then as far as doing an upgrade like this, an installation in something that had a tank heater,
yes.
How does somebody know that they can upgrade to a system like this? Do they give you guys a call and let you know what they have currently?
I would say 99% of the time we can replace any existing tank water heater, from a 6-gallon up to a 16-gallon water heater. Not a problem for us to replace those systems. We have different doors to adapt for a larger cutout, so it's always the same unit. We have a different door module that we use. This is our standard door here, which you'll see. This is a polycarbonate, fully paintable. This is painted. This one is painted black to match, but we have a larger door as well, which we call our adapter door, which allows us to adapt the size to fill that extra space on the cutout. And it has a metal plate there, which actually forms a solid surface for that ceiling.
And then as far as ease of maintenance and maybe winterizing, what are some of the things that people need to do to keep these running all year long?
Winterizing, very simple. We developed what we call this easy drain lever. If you've ever had to drain your water heater, you know water's pouring out everywhere down the side of the vehicle. We developed this easy drain lever. You take that, you flick it up with your thumb, pop this down, remove the filter. This is a stainless steel filter. As far as maintenance, I recommend that you have a look at that just to make sure if any debris has gotten in there. The other thing that's important that I will mention as well is we do always recommend that you put a water pressure regulator in line with your water system. So when you go to a campsite, put a pressure regulator on there. It's a great small adapter piece that you can buy in most RV stores. That will protect the unit and it will protect your system. I've seen water pressures above 100 psi. You don't need these things leaking, dripping water over time. The other maintenance that we recommend, and it's somewhat unique to our system, is decalcifying the unit over time. 60,000 BTUs of heat energy. If you're in hard water conditions like Arizona, you will precipitate calcium in the lines. We want to keep that running as factory new. So we have tablets that you can install in there. You replace those in there, you pop that in, close it up, you go to the switch. There's a clean mode. You can circulate the unit, and it will clean the system out and bring it back to factory original.
Really easy.
Try to make it as simple as possible.
And then draining the system, like you said, you're just
gonna pop that open. Again, what we usually, take your thumb, push your thumb up and down. I usually recommend that you leave the filter out of the unit.
Okay.
That case, in case any water, in case the vehicle is not fully level, if water finds its way back into here, it will automatically drain itself out. I usually store it, it fits nicely right there above underneath the computer, so you can always find it when you have to bring it back in. And if you do forget and you start the water, you'll see some water pouring out the side of the vehicle here, so it's a bit of a safety thing for you to see.
So no tools?
No tools required.
Yeah, that's amazing.
No looking for wrenches, no stripping nuts. None of those things.
Because my previous system has like a nylon nut in there, and it's in a very difficult location to get to. So this, to
Probably
me,
stripped off as well.
Yeah, I'm the one that does. Yeah, it strips easily.
Yes.
I'm the one that does all the maintenance on our RV. So I'm probably looking more forward to the maintenance ease of
Or
this,
the lack of maintenance,
or the lack of the maintenance involved. And then, of course, Sabrina is looking forward to endless hot showers, being able to wash her hair, shave her legs, and not be under a time restraint when we're in a full hookup type of situation.
Yes.
All right. Oh, this is great, Mark. Sabrina and I are really excited about it.
I'm glad to hear.
We're really looking forward to using it. We took a Travato van out not too long ago. We had the combi system in that, and we just enjoyed it so much. Is what made us call you guys and say, you know what, we need a Truma system in our Winnebago, so here we are.
Fantastic.
All right. Thanks, Mark.
Thank you.